Would you like to pay?
3,300. I really can't wait. It's going to be awesome. 3 hours, but 3 hours. K-pop. Oh, more K-pop. $30. Like the AI said, it was $150. What's the name of this place? Central Market, Food Cart. Don't know what the fuck I'm going to do with it, but I've got it now. May have secrets. Well, I'm in Central World, one of the biggest entertainment complexes here in Bangkok. And I'm going to go explore it. It's not just a movie cinema. It's an entertainment ecosystem. And I'm here to explore everything about Central World. And that's a Starbucks. Yeah. We're going. 170. 5,000. $5,000 for that. $5,000 for a phone. Can't really justify that, can ya? Buddha belly. That's me. Well, this is it. The burger. This is the Stockholm burger. It's on the expensive end. See, this is the Bangkok myth. Everyone thinks it's like super cheap here. It's not. No registration. Let's see if I can go in for K-pop. Registration?
It's called the Awin.
What's that?
The
Awin.
That
What's the band?
That to go brand. The event for fan meeting.
Ah, Glober.
Lucky fans, something like that.
What time does it start?
Start at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's a pop band, is it? K-pop?
Yes. Yeah.
K-pop. K-pop. Let's glow moments. I really can't wait. It's going to be awesome. 3 hours, but 3 hours. 3 hours. I'm not waiting for 3 hours like these people. This place is even more packed. I'm going to go in. This is fucking nuts. Look at all this shit. Pop Mart. And as you can see, it's very popular. Some interesting characters in here too. It's kind of, they're cool. They look cool. Look at it, there's a massive line too. I don't understand this. I got no idea why it's so popular. Am I losing my mind? Why is it so popular? 6. I don't understand any of this. What's happening? What should I purchase? The official. Resupplying. They're just grabbing them and running. 2 of them. There's one over there. I want one now. I don't even know what the fuck it is, but I want one. Everyone's grabbing them. Everyone's like, oh, give me one. How much are they? Give me one. How much are they? I've got one. Fuck yes. May have secrets. Oh, look, there's more over there. Yeah! Fuck yeah. Everyone's got one? Happy. Don't know what the fuck I'm going to do with it, but I've got it now. If you were to get it as a birthday present, it would be the best birthday present ever. Into big energy. How much are these sort of things? I'm asking Brock. how much. Well, they reckon it's about 30 bucks. What's the significance of this? Why is it so popular?
The blind box from Pop Mart, the Monster Big into Energy series, final body pendant, likely doesn't carry a specific significant symbol, like a brand logo, but its design features vibrant monster characters, each with a unique, playful look, like colorful fur. Citation ID 0, argument, crop render. These appeals to collectors.
Well, that makes zero sense. It's just like it's a gimmicky thing.
The monster.
Let's see how much it is. I have no idea.
4,300 baht, sir. Would you like to pay?
3,300. That card. I don't even know if I got the money in there. You go through? Well, it wasn't fucking... How do I get out of here? It wasn't $30 like the AI said. It was $150. Oh, thank you, sir. Good. Fucking grok stitched me up. That wasn't 30 bucks. It was $150. I don't even know what the fuck it is. Oh, well. You got to live a little sometimes, and there you go. Now, this is the end of my shopping experiment here at Central One Shopping Centre, one of the biggest shopping centres here in Bangkok. And I've got myself some shopping. Don't know what it is. I just followed the herd, and I guess I'll find out later. They are working their magic. The current... I could just watch this for hours. How are you?
Thank you.
We're in, what's the name of this place? Central Market Food Market. Bangkok Central Market Food Market. What's the name of this place? Central Market Food Cup. Camel Cup. Central Food Market.
Yes, Central Bangkok.
Bangkok. Now that's chicken wing. Chicken, dumplings, fish, octopus, rice, seaweed, dumplings, everything you need. Yeah, this is kind of like the hangout. You get yourself a little coconut water. Well, I've spent $150 on plush toys, so I might as well get a water just to top it off. So I got a scooter to Central World. It seemed like it took ages, but you get the train, the SkyTrain, 2 stops and you're there. I should have just got the SkyTrain. Remember that for next time. The public transport here, the SkyTrain's awesome. They're zipping around. I think with Bangkok, right, to get a real kind of, even like a slight little sense of the place, you need to spend like a week here, a week to 10 days, I reckon, just so you get your bearings and kind of adapt to it too, the madness. Once you adapt to the madness, then you'll be all right. Nah.